Value error, unknown label type, unknown in Squirn. I am getting this error, value error, unknown label type, unknown. I have searched the net but unable to get rid of this error. I am new to Python BTW Smile. My data has 5 rows and 22 columns, last column is the label, true, false. Data looks like this. Rest of the code. I am getting error on the following line. Detailed error.
Part 1. The error that you get is related to the y variable that you use. You need to transform the true/false into 0, 1 so that the y variable will contain zeros and ones. This should fix the error. From the documentation, see here. Y column array like, shape, n_samples, target values, class labels in classification, real numbers in regression. Part 2. Next, you should either use cross-validation, which will automatically split the data into x_train, x_test and y_train, y_test, or the train_test_split function, and then do manually something like this. On the other hand, if you want to use cross-validation with fold, just use This is going to create automatically the x_train, x_test and y_train, y_test, and it will give you the CV_ results.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.